Various components and brigades from the Texas Army National Guard recently participated in a food service workshop at Camp Mabry in Austin, Texas. The 5-day workshop was an opportunity to train on field equipment, learn administrative procedures, and focus on culinary skills through hands-on training.
We had each soldier go into different groups, and they actually prepared the menu, the lunch menu that we're going to eat for today, which was lasagna and stuffed pork chops.
With the help of a containerized kitchen that sets up and tears down just like a puzzle, those in the food service MOS can serve breakfast, lunch, or dinner while in a field environment and feed up to 900 people at a time. For one soldier who prepares and cooks food for the military, this is more than just a passion.
My father was in the Army for 20 years as a cook. It kind of carried on the family tradition. I enjoy cooking very much. Preparation of food, it takes time, but it's enjoyable.
Designed to run off a set menu that includes a variety of different foods, one of the main challenges for those working in the containerized kitchen is ensuring their fellow soldiers get a hot meal.
Like if your units move further away, you have to move with them in order to be able to feed them so they get hot chow instead of cold chow.
Reporting for the Texas Military Forces Public Affairs Office, I'm Laura Lopez.